If you say you come to Jamaica for one vacation and you look for somewhere bumbuckler sacred, you look for somewhere for do a massage, if you have any pain or any form of back injury, knee injury, you want somebody to use their hand. She's a ear bender. I business this. See name here. I go put on your number closely. Well, may we step inside. Yeah, man. You don't want to miss this. So see it here, you know. Yeah, man, I bet this. I just how you lay your burdens. I will take away all of your fucking troubles from you. Right there, so. And she are the airbender. And you don't know. One done over there, so. You understand? Yeah, man. So, yo, we are talking about from clothes with natural dye. We are talking about herbs. You never see wild bars make smudge stick. Yo, listen to me. Creativity at its highest. If you want your bowl them to carry over, and you want to dash with all the plastic plate them, watch there. Everything there. Your oil, your essential oil, your roots, your wine. Listen to me, no man. Listen to for your bags. Every little thing there, your little pieces them. Me a talk about like if you want the natural thing, you know the seed there then call lucky seed. The thing where they put in a water when the poison is sink and when in a pot. Listen to me no man. Everything there. You understand? Yeah man, a year side place. If you see you really they look for one place where no neighbor and cuss and make no noise in your ears. And you can lay down your burdens right here. So big up yourself. One love. The number, they're right there looking at caption. Yeah man, all information. Big up. Yes, earbender.
Greetings and rising beautiful beings. So welcome again to Ujama Art and Wellness Studio. So one key thing that I wanted to make sure, the word Ujama means community. So here in this space, do I make products and I provide wellness services? And these are my pieces, these are my products that I make.
Right.
Though I make my pieces, what I also do is I offer a space where the members of the community can showcase their skills and their talents. So these pieces are made by members of the community. Natural dye fabric, made by members of the community. Natural paintings, created by members of the community.
Right.
As well.
So they put it in the store and?
Yeah man, so they have a space where they can bring their stuff, they have it on display here, whoever buys it, they come through and they purchase their products. And yeah man, they get their money, they make their money just as much, just as same as I. So
big up yourself, man.
You're one of them, if you're in the community and you have your skills and your talent.
St Mary.
Yeah man, St Mary, you have your skills and your talent and you need a space where you can showcase.
Right.
You want to showcase your skills, showcase your talent.
Right, yes, sir. Yeah, man. Our dear man, the lady provide employment to people like them, you know, to support people. Persons who they look out for man who now make the man God in grave with the talent. Because some of us go carry the riches God with grave. We need to Lego gift them and release them. You know, look here, no man, look on them creativity, you know, man. Look here. She cut out. Yo, me I tell you, big up here, man. Big up.